Our new e-learning course offers you a flexible way to learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your home or office at any time of the day. Firstly, you'll want to visit our website at www.aec.uk.net and navigate to the training tab. Once you're on this page, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll find the e-learning section. Here you'll find more information on what to expect from the course. On average, it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. When you're ready, click the book button and you'll be taken to the enrolment screen. As a single user, click on Just Myself and then fill in the sign-up details. Please note though, if you are registering for 2 or more users, you need to click on the Group button. Once you've signed up, click on the More Information button below to proceed to payment. Please click on Buy this course and you'll be taken to the basket. Double check the contents and click on Proceed to Checkout. You'll be taken to the billing information screen. Please fill out all relevant details and click Pay Securely with WorldPay. Once at the WorldPay payment screen, enter your payment details and securely pay for your course. We hope you enjoy the Asbestos Awareness e-learning course and training with AEC.